In the Saqqara sand sits a small wooden bird whose simple shape sparked debates about ancient science and belief. Dating to the late Old Kingdom, the figure has a compact body, a long tail and modest wings, likely buried with royalty. Some scholars see it as early aerodynamics, others as a protective amulet blending craft and ritual. The artifact shows how ancient Egyptians fused practical skill with spiritual meaning, revealing a culture where science and myth walk together. Today, the Saqqara bird reminds modern viewers that invention often emerges beside symbolism, shaping both daily life and grand ideals.